Hey foodies, welcome to my food zone. So today I'm going to make cool snowball, and this snowball we are going to make from just milk. So we are not going to use any condensed milk, any gelatin, cream or mava to make these snowballs. So let's start the recipe to make it. To make these snowball, we need a pan and we are going to put 500 ml boiled milk in the pan. Milk should be on the room temperature. It means milk should not be either very cold or very hot. As you can see, I have not placed the utensils on any induction or gas, so it's on the normal surface. We are going to add all the ingredients in it and then we are going to mix it and we will place it to the gas. So now we will add 3/4 cup sugar, or you can add the sugar as per your taste. Now we are going to add half of cup corn flour in it. If we can measure it from spoon, so it would be 5 spoon. Now we are going to take a whisk and we will mix all the ingredients properly. We need to mix all the ingredients in such a way so that there should not be any lumps in the mixture. On room temperature, corn flour easily mix in the milk without forming any lumps in the mixture. Now we had placed the pan on the gas flame and now we are going to continuously stir this mixture and we have to keep the gas flame on the low. We need to continuously stir this mixture so that there should not be any upper layer form on the surface of the mixture. Corn flour helps to thicken the mixture very easily and it also enhances the texture of the mixture and it will add a creamy texture to the mixture. We need to continuously stir the mixture and in just few minutes mixture will be start getting thickened in the texture. It's very easy to make this snowball at home and it's very tasty and delicious. Just with the 4 ingredients, we can easily make it at home and your kids just gonna love these snowballs. You can eat these snowballs in the season of summer and also in the season of winter and rain. If you want to eat the ice cream but you don't want to eat it due to the cold weather, so you can just easily make the snowball and enjoy it. Corn flour help the milk to get thickened very easily and very quickly, and you can see yourself that in just 3 to 4 minutes milk started getting very thick in texture. Now we are going to add 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence in the mixture and going to mix it properly. You can also add rose essence, pineapple essence or butterscotch essence as per your choice and preferences. In just 5 minutes, mixture will reach to this consistency. We need to keep stirring it for just 1 or 2 more minutes. When your mixture reach to this consistency, when it start getting coated in the spatula, then we need to just cook it for half more minute and after that we can just switch off the gas flame. To fill the mixture, we need to take these small size bowls. You can either use the glass bowl or you can use the steel bowls. We need to grease the bowls using the butter or the ghee. Now we are going to put the ready mixture in the bowls evenly. We'll repeat the same process for all the 3 bowls. Once the mixture filled in the bowl, then we are going to tap the bowl a little so that there should not be any bubbles in the mixture. Now we are going to keep these bowls in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours to cool it down completely. After 3 to 4 hours, we will remove the bowls from the fridge, and now we are going to demold it. To demold it, you need to just use your finger a little and it will very easily remove from the bowl. Now we need to just turn the bowl on a plate and very easily it will remove from the bowl. In the same process, we will demold all the snowballs. Now to give it a look of a snowball, we are going to coat all these ready balls in the desiccated coconut. So you need to coat it completely in the desiccated coconut from top and the bottom everywhere. So you can see it's looking like a snowball. We are going to repeat the same process to coat all the ready balls in the coconut. So now it's the time to garnish our snowballs. So garnishing part is up to you. You can use anything to garnish it. You can use cherry, dry fruits or sprinkles to garnish it. So here I am simply using the cherry and the chopped pistachio to garnish these snowballs. So our yummy, creamy and delicious snowball are ready in just few minutes. This recipe is very simple and very easy and quickly you can make these snowball at home. So guys, you also make these snowballs at home and tell me your experience in the comment section. If you like this recipe, then don't forget to like my video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in my next video. Till the time, be safe. Take care.